Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to send money internationally using Zelle in 2025. So let's get into it. Step 1. Open the Zelle app or your bank app that supports Zelle. Step 2. Just note that Zelle only works domestically within the US. So to send money internationally, you will need to use an indirect method or use third-party apps. Step 3. Send the money via Zelle to a US-based friend or your own US account. Step 4. From there, use a service like Wise, Payoneer, or Western Union to forward the money internationally. Step 5. Make sure that the recipient's country and payment method is supported using those third-party apps. So although Zelle doesn't directly allow international transfer, this method will get you the job done. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials, reviews, and comparison videos. Thank you for watching.